Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some Waakye stew special. You will love this ankasa. And so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video, okay? And do well also to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so we are going to make use of fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, onions. We're also going to make use of pepper, ginger, bay leaf, garlic, and natural mixed spices. My cow meat, you can use any meat of your choice. My Wale, my fish, fried fish. Okay, so you can use any fish of your choice also. So these are the spices that I'm using: my dry thyme, my all-purpose seasoning, my nutmeg, and my curry, and also salt. Okay, so I'm going to slice one of the onions, add it to garlic and then ginger, and I'm going to blend this to cook or steam my cow meat. Yes, very necessary. The way you steam it will tell the tastes. And so we are going to chop everything, and we are going to add some of the natural mixed spices also to it. Blend everything. And so the Wale, some are hard, some are soft. And so what I did was to add the hard ones to the cow meat and then start with it, then cook it halfway before I add the soft ones. So I just added salt, and I'm adding some dry thyme, my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also going to add my water to it. I gave it enough water to cook it, and I'm adding my blended mixture or ingredient also to it, adding some bay leaves to it, and then we'll cook it. Okay, so let's slice our tomatoes. You are going to blend everything. Yes, this Waakye stew, we are blending our tomatoes, and I'm going to slice I sliced 2 of the onions. I wanted to slice 3, but I sliced 2. So I've added all the pepper and the garlic and ginger to it, and I've also added the rest of the mixed spices to blend it. So our meat is ready. I cooked it halfway, and I added the soft Wale to it. Yes, and so now it's ready. Okay, so I have some oil on fire. Just added in some onions and then bay leaves just to give it some flavor. We are going to fry our meat. Okay, so we want to give the oil some nice aroma before we add our meat to it. So we'll just pour in our meat, and we are going to fry this. Yes, please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video for me, and like and share for me also. Okay, so at this point it's okay. I don't want to fry it too hard. Yes, I want some softness, so I'm taking everything out, and we are going to start preparing our Waakye stew. Okay, so I'll drop in some onions. This is 1.5 onion. Yes, 1.5. And so the one that I used to flavor the oil was half. Okay, so stir fry it for it to get translucent a bit, and I'm adding my blended ingredients, and we are going to cook this down. Yes, Waakye stew is all about frying. You fry the ingredients. Okay, so let's check on our stew. And we are going to add our tomato paste to it. Yes. Please, if you are watching me and you've been watching my video, especially those of you who watch on WhatsApp, you find it difficult to go to YouTube to subscribe, I beg today, go there and subscribe for me. Like this video, share and leave a comment also. Very, very necessary. So cover and give it enough time for it to cook very well. So let's check on it. Okay. So our waakye stew small, it is getting there. You need enough oil to fry this. So I just added the meat stock to it. Yes, you need enough oil to cook waakye stew. After, you can strain the excess oil and then use it for another stew. Yes. Okay, so I'm adding my spices to it, my seasoning, my nutmeg, my dry thyme. Okay, and so that's a nutmeg. Okay, and I didn't add salt to this because of the stock that I added. I didn't add salt again, and I also added my curry. Curry curry powder, not curry. Hey, what's up? Okay, and so because we are going to do more frying of the stew, it wasn't necessary adding extra salt, because when the water in it reduce, you will get the actual salt taste. So don't add salt. Wait, when your stew is ready, you can decide to add salt. Okay, so you see our waakye stew is getting ready. And I've added my meat and my Wale to it. Charlie, this waakye stew, if you taste it and you don't ask for more, Charlie, no nyame na meye. No nyame na meye cry. Okay, so cover and give it time for it to cook for some few minutes, like 5 minutes. Yes. At this point, our stew is ready. Charlie, look at it. Oh, this is a waakye. Ebi more say awaakye stew. So I'm adding my fish to it. Yes, I'm adding my fish. I want the fish to also get some of the sauce, the flavor, the taste, the awesomeness. Everything should also enter the fish. And then I'm going to cover for 2 to 3 minutes. The stew is ready. Everything is cooked. Yes. So before I cover, I'm going to add some onions to it. You know me. If you follow me, you know that for me, I love to see onions in my food. So some fresh onions, cover for 2 minutes, and that'll be okay. Yes. And so our waakye stew is ready. We'll give it a quick stir. And then just put off the fire and then serve ourselves. Yes. And so you will love this. Give this recipe a try, and you're going to enjoy it. If you're watching me up to now, and the one subscribe, bredo sister, Mr. Subscribe, mom. Okay. And so this is it for our waakye stew. I added some boiled eggs to it. You know, it's not complete without boiled eggs. And so give this recipe a try. Okay. And I also did well to get the excess oil from it for my next recipe. So this is the excess oil. And I served my waakye stew with my awesome waakye. So this is a portion of the waakye stew, and I'm going to serve it with my awesome homemade waakye. I'll post the recipe soon. Yes, the waakye recipe soon, with some plantain, fried plantain, and some gari and macaroni Italia. Okay, so let's serve ourselves. Yes, some Wale there. You love this. And I remember those days when we used to eat from the leaves. Oh, but now what happened? Okay, so this is my homemade shito, which I have the recipe there. And so check and watch it. Okay, you love this shito. Those days we buy waakye, they'll put it in a leaf for us. Today is rubber. Okay, so this is my waakye. Awesome, tasting good, looking awesome. This is our stew. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.